Alright, so this is just a quick look at this Wi-Fi LED strip controller from Athom that I got recently. Just came in a little anti-static bag, pretty standard. Couldn't find much about it, so I thought I'd just put up a short little video showing you what's inside. So this cover comes off pretty easy. It's just some little clip tab thingies. There's 6 of them on the edge here, and that just gets us into this little board. So well, you can see there's the ESP module there. The 5 volts comes in these black and red wires, goes underneath the board. We'll just take that out. Comes around and then it's pretty much directly into the addressable LED strip. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Board looks alright. Some of these solder joints probably I might just redo, or I could probably just bridge these, because I'm assuming that that's just going straight to the LED strip. So you just got your voltage regulation, caps, whatever. There's a button on the other side. It's just a on-off button that has motor software. It looks like you've got your serial interface at the top there, so if you need to reflash the board, if you do something wrong, you can. But yeah, otherwise it seems to work pretty well. Alright, so I'll just put that back in. I think it does have reverse voltage protection, because I accidentally put the opposite polarity plug in and it was fine afterwards. But yeah, otherwise it works pretty well. I've got a LED strip here which I can test quickly. Alright, so just plug it there like that. 5 volts here. And there you go. So that's just in connected to home system pretty easily. So I should be able to just change that to whatever color I want. And yeah, I think the white has some. Let's be exposed. So towards the middle there is some color distortion, but that I assume is pretty normal for a 5 volt strip. Yeah, this was pretty cheap. I can't remember how much it was. I just got it off AliExpress with some other stuff which I might have a look at later. But yeah, that's about all there is to it. Just a cheap little LED strip controller. Oh, can't get it out. Yep, so this back bit just so that goes down on the PCB. That just snaps back on like that. Easy enough to get back into if you need to do anything to it. Yeah, that's about it. See ya.